Okay, after you know how to manage your working capital properly, how do you make sure that you're doing online, right? You're doing well, or how do you measure the performance, right, when you manage your working capital? That's why you need to look at operating and cash conversion cycle. So operating and cash conversion cycle indicate how efficiently a firm has managed working capital. The shorter these two cycles are, the more efficient is the firm working capital management. I will show you the picture here, right? Look at the left hand side, the left hand picture. You see inventory purchase. This is the moment that you purchase inventory on credit. The second bar is what? Cash pay for inventory. Let's say you pay for inventory, pay cash for your suppliers, right? So the period from inventory purchase until the period that cash pay for inventory is called account payable deferral period. And then what? Next bar is inventory sold. Assume that you sell inventory on credit. Okay. So the moment that you buy material on credit until you sell your inventory on credit is called inventory conversion period. And the last bar on the right hand side of the picture is the moment that you receive cash from your account receivable, right? You sell your product on credit. That is the moment that you receive cash from your customer. So the period is called average collection period. You see operating cycle equals to, you see the left to the right, right? The moment from purchase inventory on credit until the moment that you receive cash from your customer. So this operating cycle. So we're trying to minimize operating cycles, right? You can calculate your own operating cycles, and you can compare yourself from the past. If you have lower or shorter length of time for operating cycle, it means you are better, right? You manage better. And also, if you look at cash conversion cycle, we will call CCC, right? Cash conversion cycle is the period that you need cash, right? So as you can see from the picture, is equal to is the period from the moment that you pay cash to your suppliers until the moment that you receive cash from the customer, right? So CCC, lower better, even negative is the best, right? Even negative is the best. Why is negative is the best? What should be scenario for negative CCC? This scenario means what? You buy material from suppliers, you haven't paid anything, right, to your suppliers, and then you take the material and produce, and then you finish producing, and then you sell your product to customer, and then you receive cash from your customer faster than the moment that you need to pay cash to your suppliers. It means what? You can receive cash from your customer and then take the proceed or the money to pay for your supplier. That means CCC will be negative, right? It's the best scenario, negative CCC. And here is how you get CCC, right? CCC or opening cycle. Opening cycle equals to inventory conversion period plus average collection period. CCC equal to opening cycle minus account payable deferral period. And this one is how to calculate average collection period, right? It's account receivable divided by daily credit sale. And this also how to calculate account payable deferral period. You take what? 365 divided by cost of goods sold divided by account payable. Okay.